Hi there, in this video I will show you how to find MetaMask wallet seed phrase. So for this I will open my MetaMask app here and I will log in with my password. So once you log in, you will be directed to this page here. It is called the main dashboard. Now you need to click on the setting icon in the right bottom corner. Now click on security and privacy. Now here we have reveal secret recovery phrase. So you need to click on it and here you need to answer two questions. So let's get started. So if you lose your secret recovery phrase, so MetaMask can't help you. I will go with the second option. Now click on continue and now I will go with the first answer and click on continue. Now here it will ask you to hold to reveal secret recovery phrase. So just hold for 2 to 3 seconds and then the phrase will be revealed. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, and if you still have any question, please comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye.